Hi everyone, I'm Brent Shively, Product and Application Trainer with Festool USA. So in the last build series, I built a mudroom cabinet in my personal shop. I had a lot of questions on how I laid out my shop, some of the other projects that were in there, and the MFT Work Center. This series, we're going to focus on that, building that MFT Work Center, which is going to be the important first step for outfitting the rest of the shop. Over my 30 years as a carpenter, I've worked in a lot of different areas. Remodels, new home construction, even my own shop. One thing that's remained the same is I've always liked to have a centralized location to store my tools, to complete my work. And that's why I've come up with the design of this rolling cart to help maximize the small space that we have here. What are you using on the job site or in your workshop as a work center? Let me know in the comments. So in my design for this rolling MFT cart, I really focused on the things that I utilize the most. The top is going to be an MFT for the work area. And then right next to it, I'm going to have a spot for the vac sys. So when that vac sys sits on there, it's the same height as my MFT. Then underneath, I've tried to design it for the main tools that I'm going to be utilizing. We've got a spot for the SysGen 3 rails as well as our SysAZ drawers. Spot to hold the vacuum pump for the vac sys, as well as the parallel guides and just some general storage areas. And this can be completely customizable to fit your needs. I've also put casters on the bottom of this, so if I need to move it around my shop, if I need to assemble a larger project, I can do so. I can also, if I need to take it to a job site, roll it right on the back of a trailer, transport to the job site. All right, to build out the rolling MFT cart, we're going to be using several different tools. First one to break down the material is the TSC 55K, and then we'll use the 1010 router to plunge the LR32 holes. Then we'll pick up the Domino 500 to do the connecting of the panels with the Domino connectors. We'll also, in between there, we'll be using the T18 and the TID 18. And then we'll finish everything off with a little bit of sanding with the DTS 400C and the ETS 125C with the edge sanding attachment. And at the heart of the system, I'll be using the CT48AC for the dust extractor with the work center on top that'll hold clamps, my parallel guides, any other accessories that I may need. As far as the material for the project goes, you can get as fancy as you want. I didn't go too crazy. I'm going to be using 3/4 inch maple plywood, good on one side. And then for the banding, I'll be using solid maple. The reason I'm using maple for the banding is I want something hard and durable to protect those edges in the workshop scenario. So with the tools all ready, I've got the material ready. The next step in the process is to work off this cut list to break down the sheet goods for the carcass of the MFT3 cart. If you want to follow along during the build of the MFT3 cart, or if you just want to build your own version of the MFT3 cart, you can get a full set of plans and a cut list at festoolusa.com. If you want to continue with the build, click here or check this out. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to be notified when we upload new content, click that notification bell.